Are you ever wondering what kind of Google Ads your competitors are currently running? Let me show you this free tool that basically shows all ads your competitors are running, so you can get inspiration from there and to rewrite them into better ones for your e-commerce or service-based business. Today, I show you everything you need to know about the Google Ads Transparency Center. I've been using this tool for over 2 years and it helped me generate more than 60 million euros in revenue for my Google Ads clients. The tool is called Google Ads Transparency Center, and there are 2 ways that you can access it. Let's dive right into my screen so I can take you with me. So the first way to access the Google Transparency Center is actually by searching any product. So let's do, for example, dog bed. I will search dog bed right here. And here where it said sponsored next to all the shopping campaigns, you can see the little 3 dots right here. And if you press on there, it opens the My Ad Center. So here you can see all the competitors that are running ads for dog beds, for example. So you can basically have a look on what kind of competition they are. You can press on there and see all relevant information about their company details. And if you scroll all the way more down, why do I see this ad? It's basically the time of the day, your current search terms, or any general location like the city or the country you're basically in. So, and to basically have more information about all the competitors, for example, this one, you can press here, see more ads. And it will open the Transparency Center right here from this advertiser, and you can basically see all the ads they are currently running in the market. So this is a Dutch dog pet company. So you can see here when are the ads displayed, for example, where are they shown, in what kind of country, and in what platform they are showing. So they're showing Google Maps, Google Play Center, Google Shopping, Google Search, and YouTube. So you can do competitor research right here and all kinds of topics. So for example, now we are visiting Pets Place, the pets company in Holland, and you can see all kind of campaigns they are currently running right here. So here we are looking at a search campaign. This is a search campaign as well. And here you can see what kind of text they use and maybe rewrite it or even come up with better ideas. So they even use different ads for guiding people to their shop, as you can see here, their physical shop. More search ads. So yeah, I basically run a lot of search ads, as I can see. And if we select here the right platform, for example, we are an e-commerce website and we want to spy on our competitors, we can implement right here just to shopping. And basically, if we want to take another sample, we can go back to the search results right here. Just press another sample and click here, see more ads. So basically we see that this partner is running multiple ads as well. Here you have a shopping ads with like a dog bed or something. Here they're using some German search ads, as I can see, for their German website. Here there's their Dutch website as well. So it shows if they are active in multiple countries as well. Here you see a bunch of shopping ads. This one is in Dutch, this one is in German as well. So it shows multiple countries, even here in France as well. So you can basically see what kind of text they are writing to promote either their service or their e-commerce business. And you can basically come up with better suggestions for your own purpose as well. And the second way to access the Google Ads Transparency Center is to just Google it. I will leave a link for it in the description as well. Then end up in the first page like this. This is the Transparency Center. So here you can fill in the details of the products you're looking at to see the actual ads they are running right now. So for example, if we do anywhere and we are searching for dog bed, we already will see the first advertisers popping up. You see where they are active, how many ads they currently have running, and the names or URLs from their website. So this Gorilla dog bed seems like a pretty big one. They are running more than 200 ads in the US. So let me go and click on them to see what they are doing. So here we can see their official name is Gorilla Dog Beds. They are based in the United States and they're running all kinds of different ads. We see different ads, the search ads right here. Here you can see different shopping ads as well, and also some display ads as well. They have side links included in their ads, which is really nice to get more views on your ads as well. So basically this is how you can see what kind of products they are running. So that's basically how the Google Ads Transparency Center works. It's pretty limited as of right now, but I will guess they add more and more features. In the last year I saw multiple things are being added right here, so I guess so. So this is currently the only way you can use the Google Ads Transparency Center. You either search for a product or an advertiser right here, and it will end up showing the ads in the list down below. But Just using the Google Ads Transparency Center gives you enough information to do research, but doesn't tell you exactly what kind of campaigns you need to run. If you want to make sure that you make as much profit as possible from your Google Ads, click on the link in the description where I implement my full step-by-step framework how you can onboard and make your first profitable Google Ads campaigns starting from today. And after that, don't forget to watch the next video. This is my full Google Ads strategy that generated more than 16 million in revenue for my Google Ads clients. I catch you there.